Learn the fastest way to open a butterfly knife, the Quickdraw tutorial. Start out with your palm facing the ground and releasing the bottom handle and swinging it so it makes contact with the back of your hand. Remember to keep your fingers out of the way while doing this. Next, release the bottom handle without the swinging motion. Rotate your hand underneath where your palm is facing up. Keep the knife parallel to the ground. Then swing the handle into your hand. What action you use to open a butterfly knife also closes the butterfly knife, which makes this move the fastest butterfly closer as well. When you're comfortable, try putting all of it together.